Corporate Misfits, you may be utilizing a sales page to help promote your products, your memberships, your coaching programs, and some of the other digital products that you have. A sales page is a really great way for you to help your customers to see, is this product going to be the right fit for me or is it not? Am I going to get transformation or should I stay away from this? So it helps your customers to know that they're in the right place, that they're either the right customer for this product or they're not, as well as helps them to understand what they're going to be getting if they move forward. Now, a lot of people make a lot of mistakes when it comes to sales pages, and they start asking, why is my sales page not converting? What am I doing wrong? So today I want to share a few things that we did within my own business to help update some of our sales pages and also go for more of a conversion versus just having some pretty sales page. So let's go ahead and dive right into how you can fix your sales page and get that sales page in a place where it can convert and ultimately get some customers into your business. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise online. Now, in today's lesson, we're going to dive in deep on how you can be able to update your sales page if you find that you're struggling with conversions. So this means that people come to your page and they're not necessarily purchasing from you. And so we need to figure out what it is that's keeping them from moving forward. So we're going to dive into a few things that you can look into to help you to fix this and get in front of it and ultimately get that page to convert. Now, before we dive into today's topic, I want you to check out the 5 funnels that every course creator needs. It's a guide to walk you through some very popular funnels and funnels that can also help you, whether they're evergreen or live, to help generate some revenue in your business. You can find that below. And also, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button so that you can get more information on how you can build a course and also build a freedom-bound business, sharing your expertise and creating automation and so much more. Now, let's talk about fixing that sales page, because you might have been pulling your hair out, or you might be staying up late in the wee hours trying to figure out what is going wrong with the sales page. Why is it not converting? Why do I have several people coming to it, but no one is buying, no one's moving forward? So the first thing that you want to look into when it comes to your sales page is clarifying your offer. I want you to go and ensure that your offer is very clear when you're looking at your sales page. When you're talking about your offer, before you even pitch the offer, when you're starting to kind of lead up to it, is your message clear? If you're finding that your messaging is all over the place, it's talking about one thing and then you introduce a product that's about another, and it's just really confusing, it's going to most likely confuse your customer. So we want to make sure that we are telling a story before we get to our actual product. And when we're telling a story, we need to make sure that the examples we're giving relates to our product, or that the outcome that they're looking to have, your customers that want that transformation, that we're helping them to see that if you follow these steps, that you most likely are going to see the transformation in your life. So how can you help to tell a story that will help to ultimately convey your product and create that transformation that your customers are looking for? Now, if you're able to have clarity in your message, I promise you, your customers are able to read from start to finish, and they are able to quickly say, hey, this sounds like it could be a good fit for me. But when your messaging is all over the place and you are not very clear on your offer, you're not sure what you're going to get, you're not sure what bonuses, you have tons of questions, what keeps you from moving forward and hitting that purchase button? So I want you to go and just look at your overall offer. Is there clarity there? And then in your storytelling, does it properly lead to your actual product? Or do you have a whole bunch of random stories that really don't make sense and don't help your customers to see that with this particular product that there's some transformation that can take place? Now, the second thing that you can do to help improve your sales page is to turn your features into benefits. A lot of times people like to just list out all the things you're going to get in your digital product. So if it's a coaching program, for example, you might say you're going to get workbooks, you're going to get all these courses, you're going to get a community. But what makes that interesting? What makes that fun and exciting? What makes me say, you know what, I can jump into this and I can really see transformation in my life? And if I don't feel that connection, and if I don't understand what some of the benefits will be if I were to join this, then I'm not going to see this as a possible opportunity for me to grow in this particular area. So I want you to think to yourself, when I'm listing out some of my features, how can it benefit my customers? So if I'm going to provide a workbook, what will that really do? Will this workbook help you to be able to hold yourself accountable, also keep up with, maybe you're creating funnels or whatever it may be, but will it help you to get to this place? So write out what the benefits of having that workbook will do, so that then your customers can see the value in what it is that you're providing. If you're providing courses, don't just say we have 32 in-depth courses. So I can jump on YouTube and watch a whole bunch of videos. I can jump in other people's courses. Like, what makes this life changing? And that's where you're going to include more benefits. In these 32 in-depth videos, you're going to be able to learn how to start to grow and to scale your business. So you can include more things that help your customers to know that you're not just taking an online course, you're not just watching some videos, you're going to gain insight that's going to help to create that transformation that your customers are seeking. So ask yourself, are you writing in a way that benefits your customers? Are your customers able to say, yes, this is going to move me in the right direction, this is going to help me improve, this is going to help create transformation? Or is it just going to be another task that's added on to their task load, and they have 32 more videos that they need to watch, and they have a workbook that they need to fill out? So help your customers to see the benefit so that they can be willing to say, yes, I want to buy this digital product. Now, one of the last things that I want to recommend to help you to improve on your sales page is to have a really great guarantee. Now, a lot of people do not like to give a guarantee because it is a digital product. So when you join a course or a coaching program, or maybe you are joining some sort of digital product where it's a template form, if that is the case, if you have some sort of form such as like a template, and you're like, you know what, once they download it, I don't know if they like it or not, you can have some sort of guarantee that says, if you're not happy with it, then we can have conversations, or you can email us here, or if you're struggling and you find that this was not what you needed, you can email us here. But with courses and memberships, I think it's really important to have some sort of guarantee. So many people are hesitant to move forward with courses because maybe they've been burned in the past. Maybe they spent tons of money joining someone's courses only to get half of the answers that they really needed to move forward. So with that being said, what you can do is have a guarantee, whether it's a 5-day guarantee or a 30-day guarantee or even a 60-day guarantee. I want you to have some sort of guarantee for your customers to know that if for any reason something is not to their liking, or if they find that this program is not moving the needle forward for them and what they're looking to gain, then they can reach out to you and get a refund, whether it's a partial refund or a full refund, or just exchange for something else. You want to have some sort of guarantee to help your customers confidently be able to buy. I know one of the things that I like to do when I'm shopping is sometimes I am shopping online and I don't know if the size is going to be the perfect fit for me, and I won't know until I actually get that item. I can go and look at their measurements and information that they provide, but I still won't know until I get the actual item based on the fabric, based on how stretchy it might be or how tight it might be. I will need to see it in person. And so once I get something, I pay attention. What is the return policy? Am I going to be able to ship this back if for any reason it doesn't fit? Can I exchange it and get store credit, or do I get my money back? And I look at some of these different options so that then I can make an educated decision on if I'm going to move forward with it or not. Same thing with digital products. People don't know what they're getting until they get into it. So you want people to make an educated decision. And one of the ways that they're able to do that is when there is some sort of guarantee to ensure that whatever they're buying, that you're backing it up and you're not just giving them a load of crap and telling them, oh, well, so sad. If you didn't like the course, who cares? Keep it going and I'm keeping your money. So we want to be able to give your customers a way to feel confident and comfortable with moving forward with your course, your coaching, or your memberships or some of your other digital products. And you can do just that with a guarantee. Okay, corporate misfits. So it's time to look at your sales page. Is your messaging on point? If you go through your entire sales page, does it make sense? Does it connect with your offer? Does it also tell a story that your customer is going to be able to relate to? That's something you might need to change up. The second thing I want you to do is start turning your features into benefits. How can this benefit me? How can I grow if I were to take your online course or coaching program or membership? And lastly, how are you going to be able to give your customers the confidence that they need to move forward with a guarantee, whether it's an exchange, money back, or some sort of change or email and letting you know, hey, this product might not be the right fit for me. How can they be in contact with you to be able to ensure that they're a happy customer? Okay, corporate misfits, it's time for you to go and look at your sales pages. If you're finding that they're not converting, look into those 3 areas and see how you can update that and make those changes immediately. All right, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the 5 funnels that every course creator needs, and this will help you to better understand some funnels that you can start utilizing in your business to make consistent revenue. All right, I'll see you soon, and make sure to leave a comment below letting me know some of the sales pages that you are looking to fix and then what areas you're looking to fix, and if this video was helpful. All right, I'll see you soon. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.